Dhara Education. This is Saboni Dhara presenting today's standard 7th of SSC Board Practice Set 11 Mathematics. So let's start. So students, here we can start with our exercise. Factorize the following numbers into primes. So the very first question is 32. So how to do this sum? So let's start. So here students, basically we need to start the sum now. So this 32 we will going to write here 32. Now we have to find out in which multiplication or in which table this 32 comes. So we will going to draw one rough column over here on the right hand side so that it will be easier for you all to understand how to do this. So let's start. So students, here I am using this pencil so that it can be easier for everyone to solve and to rub also with the right hand side rough work. So I have written here rough work. Even you can do the same. So the first number is 32, which we need to reduce. We need to see 32 comes in which table. So first of all, we need to understand 32. The unit place is even and the 10th place is odd. Okay. So we need to concentrate on the unit place, that is ones place is even, that is 2. So we need to divide this with the help of table 2. Exactly. So 2 ones are 2, 1. This 2 will come down. 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 16. So here what we need to write? Basically we have divided 2. So we need to write here 2. And what we have received is, the question is 16. So here we will going to write 16. So this is the way of writing the things. Now we have this 16. Now we need to divide again this 16 with the help of 2 table. So again I am going to solve here as a rough work. This 16 we will going to write here, and as the unit place is again a common, that is an even number 6, so we need to divide with the help of even number only. So 2 8 is 16. So the answer which we have received is 8. So henceforth we need to write here as well that 16 is got divided with 2 and we got the answer question as 8. Okay. So similarly this 8 also we can further divide it with the help of 2 again, as it is again a even number. So let's start. We will put 8 here as it is an even number. So we need to divide this with the even table only. So 2 4s are 8. So again we are getting 4. Here we need to write 2 and this 4 will going to come here. Again 4 we have to write here, and then as it is also an even number we can divide it with the even number, that is 2. Minimum 2. 2 2s are 4. So we are getting 2. Again we will going to write this 2 over here as we have divided with the 2 only, and then this 2 as a question with this. Again 2 reduced from 2 to 1 we need to divide again with the 2. So the last 2 will going to be here. As this is also an even, and we need to divide this with the even number only, that is 2. So 2 1s are 2, 0. So here we are getting the very last option, that is 1. So here we need to write, we have divided the table from 2 and we are getting the question 1. So this is what the prime, this is what the called factorization of the following numbers into prime numbers. So this is the way of solving. Here you can keep it as a rough work in front of your teacher so that it will be clear in front of them also that you have done some rough work and this concept is clear from your mind. So hence the very last statement which we need to understand is, we just need to write therefore 32, that is the question, is equals to, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many it is? 5. So we need to write 5. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So if we will going to multiply this with each other, we are getting 32 only. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16 and 16 2's are 32. So yes, our solution is done with this. So this is going to be tallied with this all numbers. So this is the method of factorization, students. So students, this is the next sum which is called 57. So here, like the first sum we have solved, same the methods we will going to use in the second sum as well. So let's draw for this factorization. So now we will going to concentrate here in the second sum. So 57 is our question. So we will going to write here 57. Okay. So likewise, the rough work we have to draw as we have done in the earlier sum. Okay. So let me draw this. So students, as you can see this, that 57 is the question. So we will going to write here 57. So now as the unit number is 7, it means what? It is an odd number. Okay, before starting with the odd and even number, I just let you know the numbers which is going to be divided with the 2, those are called as even number, and the number which cannot be divided into 2, those are called as odd number. Okay, so this is not going to divide it by 2, so that's why it is called as odd number. Okay, so we have to see 3. We need to try with 3 table. So 3 1s are 3. From 5, if we will take 3, we will get only 2. The balance will be 2. This 7 will be comes down. And 3 9s are 27. So with this, we got the answer, that is 19. So how we need to write here? So we just need to write here like 3 divided by 3. We are getting the answer 19. So now when we will going to put 19, cannot be divided by 2, 3 or any other table, because 19 never going to come in any other tables. Okay, so that is why we cannot do anything with this. So this is only the last statement or the last factorization of this particular sum, that is 57. But this can be divided only with the 19. So 19 1s are 19. And this is the last. So here I am going to write 19 divided by 19, we are getting 1. So henceforth 57 is equals to, we will take 3 multiply by 19. So 19 3s are 57. So this is it, your proper answer. So students, this is another sum number third, that is 23. So in this particular sum also we will going to start and we will going to follow the same rule, the same format which I have shown you in the question number 1 and question number 2. So let's draw. So now students, we will going to write here the question, that is 23. So as you can see, this is 23, means here I have drawn the rough work. So over here what we have to do is this, we need to divide this 23, but we need to understand this 23 comes in which table. Only 23's table will going to come. So that is why we will going to write here 23. 23 table, 23 ones are 23. And with this we have done. And there is no other tables in which we will get the answer 23. You can also check. So with this we can only conclude that in only 23's table there will be 23. So 23 ones are 23. Okay. So the answer will be, therefore 23 is equals to 23 multiplied by 1. So this is the answer. So now the next fourth sum is 150. Okay. So here also we will going to follow the same step. So let's draw. So now students, we will going to write 150 over here. And then we will going to solve this. So in the rough work, as you can see, we will going to find out 150 will comes under which table. So as the unit place is again it is even, so we will going to divide this with the 2. Okay. So 2 7s are 14. 5 minus 4 gives you 1 and 0 will come down. 2 5s are 10. So here with we can conclude 75. Okay. So here we have to write. So what we need to write? We have divided with the 2 and the answer we got is 75. Again, we need to divide this 75 in a such a way that it should get divided. So here also we need to understand 75. So here students, what you need to do is this. As you can see very well, the unit place is 5. So 5 is another odd number. So in this odd number, that is 5, in which table this will going to come? So we can see and we can take a chance of 3. That is 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 gives you 1. This 5 will come down. 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 25 and divided with 3. So what we need to write here? We need to write here, we have this divided by 3. 75 we have divided by 3. And we got the question, that is 25. So here we need to write 25. Okay. So again student, here we need to divide 25 further. So I just take this 25. So as you can see here 25, the last digit, that is the unit place, is again 5. That is the odd number. But it will neither going to come in 3 table. So we need to place and we need to divide with 5. That is 5 5s are 25. Okay. So here we got 5. We need to write, we have divided 25 with 5 and we got the question 5 again. Then again 5 will be divided with 5, as you can know, 5 ones are 5. So with this we have done our solution. So how we need to understand and how we can conclude whether we have done the sum is right or wrong. 150 is equals to 2, that is this, multiply by 3, this, multiply by 5, this, multiply by 5, this. Okay. So with the help of this, we can conclude the solution. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 and 35s are 150. So hence it is concluded that our sum is absolutely right. This is the another sum which is called 216. The sum is this. Okay. So now we need to do the rough work as well as the sum properly. So let's start. So now we will going to write this here as it is, as this is the question. On the other hand, we will going to solve in the rough work as well. So I just write here rough work. So here 216. Okay. So 2 1s are 2. This can be divided by 2 because the last digit is even number. Okay. So 0, then 1 will comes down. As this is smaller than 2, so we need to give 0 over there, and then 0 2s are 0 gives you 1. This 6 will comes down. 2 8s are 16. So here we are getting 108. So we need to write here 2 because it is going to be divided by 2 itself. So I have written here 2 and the question is 108. So again this 108 can be further divided by 2 again because as the unit place is 2. So here what we need to do is this. So here just utilize the place. 108 will going to divide it by 2 again because the unit place is what? 8. So 2 5s are 10. 0 0. This 8 will comes down. 2 4s are 8. So the answer is 54. So I just write it is going to be divided by 2 and the answer is 54. Again 2 2s are 4. How? I can show you. So now students, 2 2s are 4 and then 1. This 4 will come down. 2 7s are 14. So the answer we are getting is what? 27. So now students, we have to write what? 27 over here because I have already done this. So now we will going to further divide this 27 with the help of 3 because we know that 3 9s are 27. Correct? So here now I am going to use the oral division. So you need to concentrate here. That is 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. I explain you once again. Please concentrate now. 2 108s are 216. 2 54s are 108. 2 27s are 54. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So here is the oral division wherein you can solve the factorization. But this can be happen only when you will be able to solve this all thing very properly. So here as you can practice again and again about this factorization, the factorization will be very easy for you all. So that is why you need to concentrate in the earlier sums. So from the first sum to the fourth sum, if you will concentrate, if you will rewind the video and you can see how the way I have done. So similarly, you can do with these divisions in oral way. So for that reason, you need to concentrate with the tables and as well as division. Division. So that is why it is very essential. So in that contrary, there is no need to do rough work also, but it is advisable for each and every child of 7th standard and 8th standard to draw this rough work on the right hand side, so that there will be less chances of doing the sums wrong. So this is one kind of an evidence and proof also that you have solved in a systematic manner. So it is advisable to draw the rough work on the right hand side and to solve the question on the left hand side. On the other hand, now we will going to write this. The final answer is 216 is equals to, we will going to jot down all the multiplications wherein we have divided. So we have taken 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So this is the way. Now if you want to check also, you can do so. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Alright. So now with the further multiplication, 4 6 are 24 and 24 multiplied with 9, you will get 216. So that's why we have completed our sum, and our sum is also perfectly completed. So there is no other error in your sum. So thank you so much for watching my video, students. If you don't understand, please try to rewind the video once again and start watching from the question number 1 of the practice set 11 of this video. In the upcoming video, I will be uploading all the exercises of 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard and 12th standard too. So keep watching Dhara Educations. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.